Everyone is chasing one goal, $100,000. That big number, that dream life. But almost nobody reaches it. And the reason is simple. They're focused on the wrong milestone. Because the real game starts at $10,000, not $100,000. Your first $10,000 is everything. Because the journey from zero is the hardest part. This phase feels slow, painfully slow. You save money. You sacrifice, but nothing seems to change. It feels like you're stuck. That's because you're doing all the work. Your money is doing nothing. You push every single dollar forward alone. And most people quit here because they don't see progress. They upgrade their lifestyle, spend more, and start over again. That's the trap, the middle-class loop. Earn more, spend more, stay stuck. But if you survive this phase, everything changes. Because at 10,000, something powerful happens. Your money starts working. Finally, now you're not alone anymore. Your money pushes with you, even when you sleep, even when you do nothing. That's the turning point, the moment. Wealth starts building itself. From here, things get faster. The next 10,000 comes quicker because you have momentum. And momentum changes everything. But the biggest change is not money. It's your mindset. You stop living in fear. You stop worrying about survival. You start thinking long-term. That's real freedom. And here's the truth. You don't need a big salary. You don't need luck. You just need consistency. Even small investments, done regularly, change your life, but only if you stay patient. Because this game rewards behavior, not shortcuts, not hype, just discipline. And once you build that base, something crazy happens. The journey to 100,000 becomes easier, much easier. In fact, you're already halfway. Before you even...
I've reached the halfway point. How is that possible?
Because compounding starts doing the heavy lifting. So stop chasing big numbers. Focus on the first milestone, 10,000, because that is where the real game begins.